Good morning student. Today class we are discuss about unit number 2 integral calculus exercise 2.5. So integrate the following function with respect to x. So we are using the Bernoulli's formula to solve this problem. Question number 2, integral x cube e power 3x into dx. Integral x cube e power 3x into dx. Here what are the two functions here? Here x cube is a algebraic function, e power 3x is a exponential function. X cube is a algebraic function, e power 3x is a exponential function. We know the term I late. So first, how to choose a u value? I refer to what here? I stands for inverse trigonometric function. In this function here, in this problem, there is no inverse trigonometric functions. L stands for the logarithmic function. Here there is no logarithmic term also. A stands for the algebraic function. Here algebraic function is x cube. So you can choose the value for u equal to x cube. U equal to x cube. Now find out the value for u dash. U dash, we are finding the differentiation. We know the differentiation formulas. X power n. X power n equal to n into x power n minus 1. So what is the formula we are using here? D by dx of x to the power n, that is equal to n into x to the power n minus 1. Derivative for x power n is n into x power n minus 1. What is the power n? Write the value here. Next, reduce the value 1 from the power n minus 1. Derivative for x power n is n into x power n minus 1. This is for differentiation formula. X power n, derivative for x power n is n into x power n minus 1. n into x power n minus 1. See here, u equal to x cube. U dash. So what is the power? 3. So write the value of 3. Yeah, what is the power here? N. N into x power n minus 1. Here n value is 3. 3 x power 3 minus 1. 3 x power 3 minus 1. So 3 minus 1 is what? 2. So u dash we get the value for 3x square. U dash equal to 3x square. Next, find out the value for u double dash. 3 constant, write as it is. Find out the derivative for x square. So derivative for x square is 2x. Power is, write the 2. N value is 2. X power 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. Power is 1. So that is for 2x. Derivative for x square is 2x. So 3 2s are 6x. So u double dash equal to 6x. U double dash equal to 6x. Next, you can find out the value for u triple dash. Derivative for x. Derivative for x is 1. Derivative for x is 1. What is the power here? 1. So 1 into x to the power 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Apply the general formula. How to find out, get the value for this 1. Power is here 1. So 1 into x to the power 1 minus 1. So 1 into x to the power 0. X power 0 is what is the value? 1 only. So 1 into 1 we get the value for 1. So derivative for x is 1. Derivative for x is 1. That is equal to 1. X power 0 value is 1. 1 into 1 we get the value for 1. So derivative for, simply you can know the formula for derivative for x is 1. So 6 into 1 equal to 6. So 6 is a constant term. We know the derivative for constant term is 0. V4. Derivative for the constant term is 0. Now integrate the given function. What is the remaining term? We are choosing u value equal to x cube. We are finding the value up to the term 0. Here u4 equal to 0, remaining term u5, u6 also 0. There is no need to find out. So remaining term is integral e power 3x. So integral dv equal to integral of e power 3x into dx. Integral e power 3x into dx equal to integral dv. Integral dv equal to integration of dv equal to what? V. Integral dv equal to what? V equal to integral of dv is v equal to integral of e power 3x into dx. Integral of e power 3x into dx. Integral of e power 3x. So what is the integral formula? E power 3x divided by 3. Integral of e power 3x is e power 3x. What is the coefficient of x is 3. So divided by 3. Now once again v1. It is also integrate the given function. E power 3x. Integral of e power 3x is e power 3x divided by 3. Already here 1 3 is there. So 3 into 3 we get the value for 9. So e power 3x divided by 9. Now once again integrate the given function. E power 3x divided by 3. Integral for e power 3x is e power 3x divided by 3. Already one 9 is there. 9 3s are 27. So e power 3x divided by 27. Next one e power 3x. Integration for e power 3x is e power 3x divided by 3. Here 27 is there. 27 into 3 81. We get the value for e power 3x divided by 81. So here u power 4 is 0. So no need to find out the value for v4 value. No need to find out the value for v4 value. So Bernoulli's formula, we know that integral u dv equal to uv minus u dash v1 plus u double dash v2 minus u triple dash v3 plus u4 v4 minus so on etc. Here uv alternately plus minus plus minus plus minus u dash u double dash u triple dash u4 u5 u6 goes on. Here v v1 v2 v3 v4. So we can easily remember the formula for Bernoulli's formula. So we already find out the value for u value, v value, u dash v1, u double dash v2. Already we are find out the value for all the values. So substitute the values here. So integral x cube into e power 3x into dx equal to, so what is the u value? X cube. V value is e power 3x by 3. We are already find out the value. U value. What is the u value? Here u equal to what? U equal to x cube. And v value. What is the v value here? V value. V equal to e power 3x by 3. So substitute these values in the Bernoulli's formula. So x cube e power 3x by 3 minus u dash value is 3x square and v1 value is e power 3x by 9 plus u double dash value is 6x and v2 value is e power 3x by 27 minus u triple dash value is 6 and v3 value is e power 3x divided by 81. Next one u power 4. U power 4 value is 0. So no need to substitute 0. Remaining term also 0. So cancel the term. Here 3, here 9 cancel. We get the value for 1 by 3. Here 3 table cancel. 2 3s are 6. Here 3 table. 9 3s are 27. Here also cancel. So we can get the value for here 2. Here 27. Cancel in 3 table. So what are the term we get for x cube e power 3x divided by 3 minus x square e power 3x by 3 plus 2x e power 3x by 9 minus 2 e power 3x by 27 plus c. So e power 3x by 3 in all the term, e power 3x in the numerator is common. E power 3x, e power 3x, e power 3x is. So every term e power 3x is common. So choose a term e power 3x is common. E power 3x is common. So remaining term what? X cube by 3 minus e power 3x is common. Remaining term x square by 3. E power 3x is common. Remaining term 2x by 9 minus 2 by 27. 2 by 27. Question number 3. Integral of log x into dx. Integral log x into dx. Here only one term. We are using for the simple integration by force formula. What is the integration by formula? Integral u dv equal to uv minus integral v du. Integral u dv equal to uv minus integral v du. We know how to choose the value for u value. What is the term? We know that I let I for inverse trigonometric function, and next one L stands for the logarithmic function. So here u equal to log x, you can choose the value for u equal to log x. So to find out the value for derivative for log x, du by dx, differentiation with respect to x. In Bernoulli's formula we denoted for only for this term is u dash. U dash only we are writing for, this is a value for what? U dash. U dash only we are writing du by dx. In applying Bernoulli's formula we are denoted for u dash. U dash means it is nothing but du by dx. So what is the derivative for log x? Differentiation formula 1 by x. Derivative for log x 1 by x. So du by dx equal to 1 by x. Du equal to, bring this dx in the numerator here, dx by x. So what is the remaining term? U equal to log x. U equal to log x. What is the remaining term? Integral dx. So integral dv equal to, u value we are already chosen, u equal to log x. So remaining term integral dv. Integral dv equal to integral of dx. Integral of dv equal to integral of dx. Integral of dv equal to v. Integral of dx is x. Integral of dv equal to v. Integral of dx is x. So v equal to x. V equal to x. So now apply the integration by parts. What is the formula? Integral u dv equal to uv minus integral v du. So integral log x into dx. What is the u value? U value is log x. U value is log x. So substitute the value. U value is log x, and v value. What is the v value? V value equal to x. Log x into x minus integral of v value. Minus integral of v. What is the v value? V value x only. Substitute the term. V value here x. Next term du. Du value is dx by x. So x is cancel. X is cancel. Remaining term integral of dx. Integral of dx. So here don't multiply x into x because this log x is a logarithmic function. Here x is a algebraic function. So here you can write for x into log x. Don't write log x square. So this term is x into log x. So minus this x cancel, we get the value for integral of dx. Integral of dx. So x into log x minus integral of dx is what? X. X into log x minus integral of dx is x. Now what is the term is common from this term? Here also x, here also x. X is common. So take x is a common out. So remaining term, what is the remaining term? Log x minus 1. Here also x, here also x. Take x is common out. Remaining term log x minus 1. Log x minus 1 plus c is the integral constant. Next problem. Question number 4. Integral x into log x into dx. So solution. Integral of x into log x into dx, that is equal to, we are using the formula for integral of u dv. Integral of u dv equal to what? We know the formula for uv minus integral v du. uv minus integral v du. So how to choose the u value? We know the term isolate. I refer for inverse trigonometric function. In this question there is no inverse trigonometric function. Next one, L stands for logarithmic function. Here log x given. So you can choose the value for u equal to log x. U equal to log x. So next one, du by dx. Derivative for u dash. U dash only we are writing du by dx. Du by dx equal to, derivative for log x is 1 by x. So du equal to 1 by x into dx. Du equal to 1 by x into dx. So next one, integral of dv. Integral of, what is the remaining term? Here, this question is u equal to log x. What is the remaining term? U equal to log x means what is the remaining term? Integral x into dx. So integral dv equal to, that is dv term is x into dx. Take integral on both side. Integral dv equal to integral of x into dx. So integration of dv is v equal to integral of x is x square by 2. What is the general formula? We know that integration for x to the power n into dx equal to, what is the formula? X to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. Integral of x power n into dx equal to x to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. So what is the power here? 1. Power is 1. N value is 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2 divided by 2. N value is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Here also 1 plus 1. So we get the value for x square by 2. So we know the formula for integral u dv equal to uv minus integral v du. Now apply all the values for u value and v value and du value also. Integral u dv, that is for our u values, that is for log x, and integral dv is x into dx. So question is integral of x into log x into dx equal to u. What is the u value? U equal to log x. U equal to log x. And v value. What is the v value? We are find out the value x square by 2. X square by 2 minus integral of v value is x square by 2 and du value 1 by x into dx. 1 by x into dx. So x square by 2 log x minus 1 by 2 into integral of, this value is cancel, integral of x into dx. Integral of x into dx. So x square by 2 log x minus 1 by 2. Now integration for x. Integration for x is x square by 2. Here power is 1. So x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. Here power is 1. So 1 plus 1 divided by 2. So we get the value for x square by 2. X square by 2 into log x minus 1 by 2. Integration for x is x square by 2. Now here also x square by 2, here also x square by 2 is common. X square by 2, here also x square by 2 is common. So take common out. What is the remaining term? Here log x minus 1 by 2. X square by 2 is a common term. So remaining term here log x minus here 1 by 2 plus c Here c is the integral constant. Thank you, student.